Hello there, my name is Moib Abdullah. I would like to welcome you to a brand new series course of HTML and CSS3, Cascading Style Sheet 3. This course is designed for absolute beginners and advanced students. In this course, we will cover all aspects of HTML5 and CSS3, of course, from the basic topics to the advanced topics. Hence, I greatly recommend this course for you all. Means all level of students or professional or those who are seeking to make their career in the web development pathway. Materials in this course are designed in consideration of the latest web development syllabuses. I'm sure if this series is followed with full intention, it can help you to achieve your career goal, and it can literally equip you with the most updated skills required in the job market. So, as of our first video, I would like to take this opportunity and introduce you to the format of the series. In this series, we will initially cover all topics of HTML5, and then we will move on to the CSS3 topics. So, in this series, we will focus on both theoretical and practical aspect of each topic, and we will elaborate the importance and usage of every topic accordingly. As of our first video tutorial, let's start our first lesson of HTML. As you can see in this slide, which is table of content, and this slide actually will be the first part of our course, or the first slide of table of contents, in which we will cover many topics. First of all, we will introduce you to the HTML. What is HTML? HTML example. We will have an example of HTML, and then we will talk about page structure, what kind of editor best suit for creating the HTML file, the document type declaration, what it is and how does it work, what are HTML tags. And at the end, or during this lesson or tutorial, we will create and save a HTML page. So create and saving an HTML page, it is something linked with this example. So with this example, this milestone will be achieved. So let's come back to the introduction to the HTML. What HTML is? HTML is nothing but a markup language for describing web contents or web pages. HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Markup language is a set of markup tags. So do not confuse with HTML is a web development language. It's not a development language. It is nothing but a markup or tags language. HTML documents are described by HTML tags. So these are the HTML tags, as you can see. Let's see, what are HTML tags? We have HTML, within the tag, lesser than, or smaller than, or greater than. And then we have exactly the same tag, but with only difference that there is a slash, and then the same tag. So this means opening or opening tag, HTML tag, and this is the closing. So the same, we have head tags, head or heading tag. The head tag is open here and head tag is closed here. So remember that each and every tag, when we open a tag, we should also close it. And how we close it, we exactly write the same tag, but with the only difference of that we are adding a // Then we have title tag open and title tag close. So whatever it comes in between these two tags. For example, if we are making a title for our web page, that will normally comes in between these two tags. So this is the opening tag, this is the ending or closing tag, and the same body tag. What is a body tag? Body tag, whatever the contents that we have or we have decided for our web page normally goes inside these two tags. So let's come back to the HTML page structure. I will just show you how the HTML page structure look like. As you can see, this is HTML page structure. This is the most basic or the most fundamental structure of a HTML page. It has a header. Every web page that we are creating, it has a header. So you should bear in mind that you leave a space or you describe in your HTML document the header section. So this is a navigation, or for example, if you're creating a web page, this is the place where you can actually add your menu bar. And the same, you have main section. The main section is something related to the body section of the page that you're designing. So you may have several articles or may have one or few articles. So these are the different sections where you can add your contents or the main contents of your web page. And then you have a footer. In the footer section you can add again there is a space for navigation, or you can simply add your copyright or the year or any extra or other information that you would like, which is required for your web page. You can actually add it here. For the HTML editor, you can use many editors. There are many editors nowadays. Like you can use Sublime Text, or you can use any other types of editors, or the built-in editor that normally comes with your window, which is Notepad. In our case, we will use Notepad++. So the DOCTYPE Declaration, it is nothing but a declaration for the browser to tell the browser that which version we are using or which version of HTML we're using. In our case, we're using HTML5, so this is actually the HTML5 declaration to the website. So this is very important that you mention this or type this in your HTML file. So this will be the starting statement or declaration in your HTML document. So now let's move on to the HTML example. We will create an example, then I will explain in the example along with the. So let's create our first HTML sample or the demo or the example for this tutorial, for which we start with the document type declaration. Remember, DOCTYPE declaration is case sensitive, means you can use lowercase or uppercase, it doesn't matter. So HTML, we open the HTML tag, then we close the HTML tag. We have the head section or the header section. We close the header section here, and within this two tags we add our title or the title of the page we are designing. So title, for example, we say title of the page. We close title. So this is done. Now what we do is we create our body. Okay, as I told you, the content or the main content of your web page goes within the body. body section. So in the body we open h1, which is a heading tag. This is my first heading. And then remember, as I told you, tags come in pair. Make sure you open the tag, you close it, or you end the tag. So we end it here. We're adding a /, then again the same h1. Then we create a paragraph as well. So the p tag is for the paragraph. So we open a paragraph. This is my first paragraph. Now we close or end the paragraph tag here. So our basic HTML sample document is ready. Now we check how does it work. We save it, come to the file, we save it. For instance, I wanted to save this in demo. Say demo.html, which is the extension of HTML documents, and we save it. And then we will see the changes or how our web page looks. So this is our demo file we just created. We open this, and here you can see this is the title we given in the heading section, and this is my first heading where we described it in the HTML file, and this is my first paragraph. So this was actually the first web page we created, and I will show you the codes just to compare. So yes, document type, as I've told you, this is the HTML5 tag. Now we open the HTML tag and we closed it here. We have the heading section. In the heading section we mentioned title of the page, which as you can see it is here, right here, title of the page. And then in the body we have, this is my first heading, there you go, and this was the paragraph. So this was just an example, to so you have a basic idea of how our HTML document is created and how it will be shown in the browser. So we have some other topics to cover in our future videos. So till then, stay tuned. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.